looks for meat, the carcass of a mountain goat. Flesh, rich in calories, will help him through the winter. But he doesn't have it for himself for long. These younger Kias shadow the older, more experienced adults to learn the tricks of mountain survival. But while waiting their turn, there's time to play. There's a benefit to this apparently carefree behavior. It helps establish long-lasting relationships between the youngsters, even diffuses tension. So that when one Kia finds a rare but substantial meal, it often willingly shares it.